Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Morrow County, southwestern Knox County, until 6 p.m. At 5:10 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Delaware, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Centerburg, Ashley, Sparta, and Marengo. Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast for Central Ohio.